A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much glad to meet you all again. And this video is for all the readers of the book A Competitive Book on Agriculture by Nemrat Sunda and Agriculture at a Glance written by R.K. Sharma. And this video is a most important one as we found few details that are published in these books are different from the actual things. So we are going to mention what are all the details that are in confusion so that you can check through Google or any other sources and make it right while doing a study. We don't say that there are blunders in this book. Instead, we have some confusions we just want to share with you so you make the things right before studying. Come on, let's get into the video. And as it is a competitive book of agriculture written by Namrat Sunda, and it is the ninth edition published in 2019, and the details is for those who are following this book. In first, page number 404, actually there is a question in year for 2019 as the young female pig which has not yet given birth to a piglet is called as. The option there is guilt, but one of the good friend of mine has written this question wrong as she has read this as female piglet and she has lost the final provisional allotment just by 1 mark. I am mentioning this because even a single thing matters a big worth. So kindly make a check over the things which I am going to mention here and set the things right before reading. And is the young female pig which is not yet given birth to a litter of piglets is called as gilt. Here it is given as female piglet. Just make a check and change it. And next, coming to page number 12, these are the data that are given. So these data are found to be outdated. So make a check and change all the thing. Coming to page number 17, here 7, 8, 9 and 10 will be there. There the Project Directorate of Water Management Research, Patna, Bihar they have given, and the Project Directorate of Maize Research is given as Pusa, New Delhi. And you have to remember that all the directorates have been changed to Indian institutes in the year 2015-16. So just make a check. It has been become Indian Institute of Water Management and Indian Institute of Rice Research and Indian Institute of Maize Research and Indian Institute of Wheat Research. And two most thing we have to look here. I too have some doubts in that. This Directorate of Water Management, that is the Indian Institute of Water Management and the Indian Institute of Maize Research. The Indian Institute of Water Management is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and the Indian Institute of Maize Research is in Ludhiana, Punjab. Actually, kindly make a check over it because I'm finding all the places as Pusa, New Delhi for this Indian Institute of Maize Research, but the actual website of Indian Institute of Maize Research, the detail found is it was initially started as All Indian Coordinated Maize Improvement Project. It was upgraded to Directorate of Maize Research in 1994. It was further upgraded to Indian Institute of Maize Research, that is ICAR IIMR, in 2015, and the headquarter of ICAR IIMR was shifted from New Delhi to Ludhiana in 2016. So kindly make a check over it. Likewise, in the official website of Indian Institute of Water Management, we found it as the ICAR, Indian Institute of Water Management, erstwhile the Directorate of Water Management or Water Technology Center for Eastern Region, was established by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research on 1988 with the aim to cater the research and developmental need of agricultural water management at national level, and the institute is located at Chandrasekharpur, Bhubaneswar. And kindly make a check about these details before reading, because even a small thing matters a lot in your examination. Coming to the next, it is page number 28. There, the seventh one, the National Bamboo Mission, is given there as 2004, but it is actually the National Bamboo Mission was launched as a centrally sponsored scheme in 2006-7 and was subsumed under MIDH during 2014-15. And this National Bamboo Mission is restructured in the year 2018. So here it is given as 2004, but actually the year is 2006-7. So kindly make a check over it. Coming to page number 31, it is Paramprahat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Here it is given as 2016, but it is actually 2015. Yes, it is taken from the official website. The Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana launched in 2015. So make a check over the official websites and change it. Coming to the next thing, it is page number 197. Actually, I have a lot of confusion over this thing. So kindly make a check and comment it if you know the right answers. I don't know whether there is Central Research Institute for Chiku, but while searching for this, I always come to a conclusion that the National Research Center, that is NR, Chiku refers to Sapota, but Muzaffarpur is actually for Litchi. So kindly make a check and do comment it if you know the right answers. And I usually come to a conclusion that the National Research Center for Chiku is in Thane, Maharashtra, and National Research Center for Litchi is in Muzaffarpur, Bihar. So kindly make a check whether there is Central Research Institute for Chiku and make a change. Coming to page number 201, there it is given the epithets for fruit or other crops, and there is queen of fruits, and usually the queen of fruits is said to be mangosteen. So kindly make a check. Wherever I search, I come to a conclusion that the king of fruits is mango and the queen of fruits is mangosteen. So make a check over it and do comment if you know the right answer. Coming to the next thing, it is page number 207. There, in the management of pest, C, that is stem borer. Stem borer of mango is actually Batocera rufamaculata. There is a small c. It is not Bactocera because nearby they have given that the fruit fly has also Bactocera, and borer belongs to a different family and fruit fly belongs to a different family. So how comes it in the same genus? So remember, Batocera is the genus for stem borer and Bactrocera is the genus for a fruit fly. Yes, Batocera rufamaculata belongs to the family Cerambycidae. Even it may be a small thing, it matters a lot. So it is your stem borer Batocera rufamaculata, and your fruit fly Bactrocera belong to the family Tephrichidae, and it is your fruit fly. So kindly make a check and change it before reading. Coming to the next book, that is Agriculture at a Glance, an enhanced competition explorer, written by R.K. Sharma in its 21st revised edition. For those who are reading this, kindly make a check over few details. Coming to page number 21, there Rainfed Area Development Program is given as 2008, but I found it as Rainfed Area Development Program is launched in the year 2011-12. So kindly make a check over that before reading. And coming to page number 23, there the establishment of Agricultural Research Service and Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board. The Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board is launched in the year 1973 and it is not in 1975. I found in the official website as the Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board was established with the approval of Cabinet on 1st of November 1973. So kindly make a check. And in the same page below that, they are given the launching of National Agricultural Technology Project and National Agricultural Innovation Project. There it is given as National Agriculture Innovation Project in 2005, but I found it as 26th of July 2006. In the official website, it is given as the project is planned for 6 years and has been launched on 26th of July 2006. So make a check. Coming to page number 613, here the ICAR IIMR is given as New Delhi. In Emrat Sindha, it is also given as New Delhi, but in the official website, I found it as in 2016. The headquarters have been shifted from New Delhi to Ludhiana. So make a check and give the right answer if you know it in the comment. And it's all about the thing which I want to share with you. And please make a check over everything before reading. And if you know the correct answer, just comment it. I don't know how many of you noted this and asked the same confusion just like me. And please don't even neglect even a small thing. It matters a lot in your examination. And I hope the video will be very much useful to you. And thank you for all your support. And do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. And do share to your maximum if you found this video as a useful one. Thank you and see you all again.